Looking for faster and easier ways to settle your bills or buy a gift for yourself or your family? Or transfer money instantly with no fees and withdraw money from any ATM for free? They are all now just a tap away with ING Pay. Download the ING mobile app via the app stores and follow these steps to create your account. Fill out the required fields and complete the next steps. Take note of these simple tips to make the process faster and smoother. You can open an account with passport, driver's license, or the Unified Multi-Purpose ID. Once you've successfully opened an ING Pay account, you can enjoy easy and convenient payments. And if you already have an ING Save account, you can easily activate your ING Pay account on the dashboard. Having the ING Pay account allows you to pay bills to more than 70 pre-enrolled merchants and send money instantly without additional fees. 3 taps and that's all you need to do. With ING Pay, you can also shop and pay with not one, but two ING Pay Visa debit cards and do everything. Thanks for watching.